What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy GWB Josh, man. I'm back with a little update, man. So the past few days, I had an exhaust leak, and then I got that fixed. Then I went and got it. I needed a tune-up, so I just left the car place with a tune-up. So this my little POV. I had to get in a little tune-up. It's running back smooth now. They had to add coils and all the other shit to it, but it's back straight. I had an exhaust leak, but they didn't know my car was already this loud, so they thinking it's still a leak on it, but it's driving back pretty straight though. It feels smooth. I had to put some more power steering fluid in it though. It's still a little tight, but they filled it up a little bit. But yeah, and if that don't work, then I might need to do something else with it. But the job is pretty smooth. I'm not gonna try to go crazy because I don't know what caused it. I think last time I got my coils and stuff did. I mean, the tune-up on it. They did like a couple because it threw a code for like only like 2 misfires or 1 misfire. So when I think somebody said some of the coils was already bad on it, but I just went and got like, I think the simple shit right now, but I just got all of it done this time. So hopefully I don't have no problems this time. But you know, with these cars, bro, that's what happens. But it's running really smooth. I still ain't getting no washer fluid. I don't even be using my windshield wipers like that anyway. It's still out here. They said they got rid of the leak, but I'm trying to see if it like still pull how it's supposed to. It's driving smooth, but I don't know. I can't really tell right now. I'm trying to figure out. I check engine light on. That ain't gonna never come on because I got aftermarket test pipes and shit. So, but every time I go to get a code for it, it throw a code for something else, but it's really just that. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do about that, but I'm probably gonna get a single exhaust the next time I go back to the same place that did my that fixed my leak, but it's still riding smooth. A little bit of everything. I don't even know what the hell just happened. This a 4-way? I don't even know where I'm at. That shit loud as hell, cuz. I don't know. I still gotta see. Pretty good steering. I don't know. It seemed fine, but still pick up. It sounded a little louder, no cap though. Cause whatever they did to get the okay, it do sound a little better. But it's obviously something still wrong with my something wrong with my power steering, because it's still stiff as hell, bro. But this was a quick little video. I still gotta run to the store and get some right quick, but I just wanted it to run back straight right now. I think the muffler is straight. I can't tell. Cause when I hit the gas, it still take off like how it's supposed to, but I don't know. I'm gonna see. Probably in a few days I'm gonna see. But yeah, I'm just gonna park right quick, man. But that was just a little update of what's going on. As y'all can see, this shit is, see how stiff it is to turn? It's literally not turning, bro. Yeah, fuck. I'll put y'all down right quick. Now I think I got it. Yeah. They put power steering fluid in it. It gotta be something, because I don't know if it got a leak or something, but this shit it's hard as hell to turn. But that was the end of the video, man. Gotta wait to see what's next with this shit. But yep, got all that taken care of so far, man.